Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at creation of request to hire and recruitment process. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of request to hire, approval of request to hire, creation of job applicant and job application, mark application as accepted and create interview rounds. Then we'll see how to schedule interview round and mark interview round as pass or fail. After that, we'll see mark application as qualified and shortlist job application. Now for creation of request to hire, we need to log in to Brilbook. I have already logged in with HR user. Now for creation of request to hire, first navigate to recruitment, expand recruitment menu list and then click on request to hire. Now click on create button. Request to hire create page has been opened. Now under the basic section, select job title, select profile, then department and then select job location. After that, enter the number of position that we need to hire. So here I will enter number of position as 3, then select job type, select shift type and then select required to join within date. I will select required to join within as immediate and after that select interview template. I will select interview template that I have already created. After that click on save button. Now a request to hire has been created. Now our next step is to submit and approve request to hire. For that click on approval and then click on submit button. Status of our request to hire has been marked as submitted. Now HR admin will approve our request to hire. I have logged in with HR admin and here you can see that status of our request to hire is submitted. Now we will approve this request to hire. For that click on approval and then click on approve button. Our request to hire is approved and you can see status is marked as processed. Now we will log in with HR user and further proceed with creation of job applicant and job application. I have logged in with HR user. Now for creation of job applicant, navigate to recruitment and then click on job applicant. Then click on create button. Job applicant create page is open. Now enter first name under the basic section. I will enter first name as Tony, then enter last name, then enter email address, after that enter contact number, then select gender, set birth date, then upload resume. We can upload PDF or Word file for resume. Then select notice period. After that select current salary and expected salary for job applicant. Then fill the address section. So now we will enter address as Mumbai, city as Mumbai, then country, state and then PIN code. After filling the data into the job applicant form, click on save button. Our job applicant record has been created and we can see submit application button appeared on the ribbon of job applicant detail page. Click on submit application button. Our job application has been submitted and we can see status of our applicant is marked as application submitted. and job application tab appeared. For creation of job application, click on job application tab and then click on create button. Now on the job application create page, under the basic section, select applied position. Here we will select the request to hire against which we will hire the job applicant, and then select applied on date, which we will select as current date, and then click on save button. And with this we have created a job application record, and we can see different sections like interview round and applicant document appeared. Mark accepted button appeared on the ribbon of job application detail page. So now our next step is to mark our job application as accepted. Click on mark accepted button. With this, our status of our job application is marked as accepted. Now click on create interview button. On click of create interview button, we can see that interview rounds are created under the interview rounds tab. So now our next step is to mark pass our interview round. We will pass our interview round one by one. On the interview round detail page, you can see there are different sections like basic, schedule and actual. Now under the basic section, select interviewer. I will select interviewer who will conduct this interview. Then select schedule, start time and end time. I will select schedule start time as 5th of July 12 p.m. and then schedule end time as 5th of July 1 p.m. as schedule end time. Then click on save button. After that, click on schedule button to schedule interview round. Our interview round is scheduled. You can see status is marked as scheduled. Now interviewer will conduct the interview and he will update the actual section. He will update the record as schedule start time and end time. After filling the actual section, our next step is to mark our application interview as pass or fail. So now to mark our interview round as pass, click on mark pass button, and with this we can see status of our interview round is marked as passed. Now go back to the job application. Here we can see status of our job application is marked as in progress. Now click on interview round and then open the second interview round. Select interviewer, schedule start time and end time. Then click on schedule button. Our interview round is scheduled. Then select actual start time and end time. Now on click of mark failed button, our interview round will be marked as failed and job application will be marked as disqualified. So now we will mark our interview round as pass. After successfully passing the interview round, we will go back to the job application detail page. On the job application detail page, we can see status is marked as qualified. Now we will shortlist our job application. For that, click on the mark shortlisted button on the ribbon of job application detail page. And we can see status of our job application is marked as shortlisted. Now we will check status of our job applicant. For that, click on the hyperlink on the job applicant field. And here we can see that status of our job applicant is also marked as shortlisted. So in this video, we saw creation of request to hire, approval of request to hire, then we saw creation of job applicant and job application, mark application as accepted and create interview rounds. Then we saw how to schedule interview round and mark them as pass or fail. After that, we saw the status of job application as qualified and then shortlisting of job application. Thank you.